Reid, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy. Good luck. Godspeed, Artemis 2. Let's go.
It was an amazing ride uphill.
We have good separation, good motion.
Houston is go for TLI.
We have the start of the translunar injection burn that will send the crew around the moon, the first humans to do so in over 50 years.
You could see the entire globe from pole to pole. It was the most spectacular moment.
As of 30 seconds ago, you are now closer to the moon than you are to us on Earth. Good morning, Integrity, and good morning, Moon.
We caught a view of Earth in window 1.
We look like we're smiling at you.